Quick side note before we move on, please excuse this situation here. It is makeup, but you know, you girls have those like scarves you put on to do your makeup. They got foundation all on them, so excuse me, okay? All right, carry on.
I pull her with a lemon. Not 'cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this is
Hi loves, and welcome back. I'm your girl Phyllis Johnson, aka Beautifully Whipped, and welcome back to the Beautifully Whipped headquarters, where we just always gonna be baking up and cooking up some things. First off, so sorry that I have been missing like forever. I know I threw one video on y'all that teased and then went missing, but just everything's been happening, like the kids, the husband, this move, the cats, the dogs, the grass. You know, Safari leaked his nudes. You know, all these things have been happening in the world. So, you know, I just been like missing and stuff. You know what I'm saying? But I'm back and I plan to stay here. So get used to seeing all of this, okay? Excuse how ratchet I look today also. I mean, it's one of those days, okay? Okay. So anyway, I'm bringing you guys this brow tutorial. My brows never look the same like on a regular. Like some days they want to be like the new Gucci, you know, the new Gucci and Keisha Kaur, and some days they want to be Birdman. But what can we do about it? We just roll with it and we keep it cute, we keep it going, okay? So today I'm gonna bring you guys this little tutorial, this little how I do my brows. Now trust, you can use whatever you want on your brows, do yours however you want. This is just simply how I do mine, how I like mine, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and we are gonna get into these brows, okay? Oh, but be first, not just first, be first. We get into this, go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, and comment, okay? Like, just like go ahead and be part of the Beautifully Whipped Bakery for when we cooking up looks and, you know, eating cupcakes and stuff. Go ahead and be a part of that. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to miss the madness that goes on. Like, you just don't want to miss the foolishness, okay? Because this is real life foolishness. You're gonna hear the house phone ring, you're gonna hear the kids talking, the husband going crazy, the cats mean. You're gonna hear all that because we don't delete out no foolishness, okay? Because we're crazy. All right, so go ahead, hit that subscribe. I don't know where it is, just hit it, that like and comment, all right? And yeah, let's get into these brows. All right, guys, so I brought you guys in a little close, real close, a little too close. And I dimmed the lights just a little bit so you guys could really see what I'm doing. So I'm not going to talk through this little situation. I will show you all the products that I use. So yeah, let's get into doing these brows, all right? Well, I will tell you the products that I'm using, so that way I will be talking, okay? So let's go. So first I'm gonna brush my brows out. This is my AO Studio E133 brush, and I'm just going to brush through the brows. There is no product on my brows. I do cut the tails of my brows off, so if you're wondering why it looks like that, it's because I cut my tails off, okay? This is my NYX Taming frame in the color black. I'm using that same brush because it's dual ended. Quick side note before we move on, please excuse this situation here. It is makeup, but you know, you girls have those like scarves you put on to do your makeup. They got foundation all on them, so excuse me, okay? All right, carry on. to clean up underneath, I take my Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator in level 10. To clean up, I'm going to use the AOA Studio E111 brush. Oh, and these brushes are from Shop Miss A. And I'm going to take the light, I'm going to take the darker side. To clean up on top, if you would like to clean up on top, mine are just a little too thick, so I am going to clean up on top. I'm going to take another Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator, and this is in level 16. And I'm taking the lighter of the darker sides since it's closer to my skin tone. Thank you, loves, for joining my brow tutorial. I hope I was able to teach you something, even though some days my brows want to act right, some days they don't. You just never know about brows. But anyway, I hope y'all was able to learn something, just a little bit of how I do my brows. And until next time when we cook up something here in the Beautifully Whipped Lab, don't forget to live your best life and love you no matter what. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. All right. I love y'all. Bye.